I've been practicing as an acupuncturist, herbalist, and Qigong practitioner for over 25 years, helping thousands of patients to heal with these natural methods. But I'm also a certified 500-hour yoga teacher. So my work weaves together the wisdom of Chinese medicine, the healing power of Qigong, and the restorative practices of yoga to support deep balance and renewal. Today, after this video, you can go to the next video where I'll be guiding you through a Yoga Nidra practice, a journey into profound relaxation and effortless rest. But before we begin, let me share why this practice is so powerful, not just from an ancient perspective, but from modern neuroscience. Yoga Nidra isn't simply just laying down to rest. When practiced correctly, it shifts your brainwaves from active beta into alpha and even theta states, the same deep rhythms linked to creativity, healing, and memory consolidation. In this state, the nervous system moves from stress and survival mode into parasympathetic responses where your body can repair and restore itself. Breathing gently through the nose during this practice increases nitric oxide, which improves oxygen delivery and calms the cardiovascular system. Longer exhalation than inhalation stimulates the vagus nerve, lowering your heart rate and blood pressure. Essentially, your body gets the signal, you are safe. Studies show that just several minutes of Yoga Nidra can provide the equivalent of several hours of deep sleep for the nervous system. That's why elite performers, athletes, and biohackers use it. It sharpens focus, accelerates recovery, and boosts resilience to stress. So while this practice feels deeply restful, it is also precisely an evidence-based way to rewire your brain toward optimal balance, healing, and performance. In the very next video, be ready to stretch out, close your eyes in a peaceful, comfortable setting, and we'll go right into it. Thank you for joining us, and please subscribe.